Time tracking is one of the most powerful tools for streamlining task delegation, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it effectively. Whether you're a team leader or running your own business, using time tracking software can help you delegate tasks with ease and improve efficiency across the board. So why is time tracking crucial for delegation? Simply put, it gives you insight into where time is being spent and allows you to match the right tasks with the right people based on their current workload and expertise. But here's the best part. Once you set up a system, your delegation will feel seamless and more effective. First off, choose the right software. While there are tons of time tracking tools out there, the software we'll be using today offers features that let you track tasks in real time, assign them to team members, and see the progress as it happens. It helps you eliminate guesswork, making task delegation more straightforward. Once you've set up your software, start by categorizing tasks. Break down your workload into categories like urgent, important, and low priority. This way, you can easily delegate high priority tasks to the right people while ensuring the less critical tasks are still moving forward. Assigning tasks based on priority helps everyone focus on what truly matters and prevents burnout from overwhelming workloads. Next, use the time tracking feature to monitor progress. As your team works on their assigned tasks, you'll have an accurate picture of how much time each task is taking. This not only helps in identifying bottlenecks, but also lets you evaluate if your initial time estimates were accurate. You'll be able to see if someone is taking longer than expected or needs additional support, which can then lead to smarter task redistribution. Delegating tasks also requires communication, and that's where time tracking can help too. It gives you a real-time overview, so you can check in and reassign tasks if necessary. For example, if someone's getting behind or needs help, you can quickly shuffle tasks to others who have more bandwidth. This creates a more flexible and collaborative environment. Now, as for the software we're using today, it's not just for tracking individual time. It also has built-in features to streamline team collaboration. You can set deadlines, add notes, and get automatic reminders, which ensures everyone is on the same page and accountable. Plus, all the data is centralized, making it easy for you to monitor performance and adjust when needed. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can follow along by signing up for an exclusive free trial of the software we're using. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so check the link in the description below. To wrap things up, here's your key takeaway. Time tracking is more than just a way to see where time goes. It's an essential tool for making task delegation efficient and effective. With the right software, categorizing tasks, tracking progress, and maintaining communication can all be done seamlessly, allowing you to focus on growing your business or team. Quick revision of the main points. First, pick the right time tracking software that allows you to categorize tasks and monitor progress. Second, break tasks into categories to delegate based on priority. Third, use time tracking insights to adjust tasks as necessary. And lastly, keep communication flowing with reminders and progress updates. Don't forget to grab your free trial link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.